Hey, everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update from Japan. It is Monday, the 23rd of April, 2018, and we have had not a lot going on in terms of price action over the past 24 hours with Bitcoin. We have made a couple of attempts to break out, but we have pretty much just gone sideways. There are two coins in the top coins that are surprising. Look at Bitcoin Cash, another double-digit gain today. And if we go down even more surprising is Bitcoin Private. It continues to keep having these gains. But everybody else is just modestly in the green, and Bitcoin is sitting at about 8,847 US dollars, down about 0.05%. So just not a lot of interesting action to report. The market cap is at 393 billion. It's inching its way closer to volume or a cap that we need to see in order to have the gains that everybody is expecting. We are coming off a low, which was on March 29th, I believe, and we sat at about 250 billion. So we're going in the right direction, and this is, the overall market cap is one that I'm really paying attention to, as well as the Bitcoin dominance. The BTC dominance right now today is at 38.2%, and it's staying consistent in this 37, 38, and 39 range, respectively. Okay, so why am I doing this video today? Well, as you know, I am not a huge believer in TA. I listen, I watch, and I have great respect for the influencers that are doing really technical analysis to the best of their ability, but I think it's just a slice of how to determine future pricing. And I'm constantly searching for the best ways to predict the market, because we are kind of a fluid, active, live community, not really ruled by institutional investors as of yet. And even though there are some whales, we are still just moving the market on a really typical greed and fear. And the news, whether it's news on the street or news on the web, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, whatever, we're getting a little bit more resilient to when someone drops a bad comment, like if we think about when Jamie Dimon compared Bitcoin to the tulips, the tulip bulb situation during the, 1700s or 1800s. That really affected the market in such a way that we saw this huge fear overtake the market, and it was just a sell-off. And so we're getting better. We're not doing that so much. But what I really am trying to find is a new app that's using AI, because I really believe that AI is going to be the future in determining where the market is going. So I have been looking, as you can see in my previous videos, I've been looking for AI in terms of sentiment analysis, and I found a couple of good ones, but I even found one different one today that I want to share with you. This one is built by a gentleman by the name of David Roma, and he built an app called Signals, and it says, this is an older article, it's back from September of last year, but he built this app right after Jamie Dimon made that ridiculous comment about the tulip bulbs. And the question is, or in this particular article, is can his app predict the Bitcoin price? So specifically, he said cryptocurrencies are a fraud. This was Jamie Dimon. And worse than the tulip bulbs, and that he would fire anybody at JP Morgan Chase employee trading Bitcoin because they are stupid. Well, I think we all remember this, and even though it was a ridiculous comment, it did have an effect on the price. So Roma built an app that I want to share with you, and it is live in terms that it's taking sentiment from Twitter on a live feed basis. So I've been running it for about 45 minutes. There have been on the Twitter sphere 983 positive comments, 1,503 neutral comments, and 264 negative comments. And as you can see, if you watch here, this particular feed is constantly updating as new tweets come out. And then in the analysis, he takes the words. So we've got in the positive words being used, words like inspired, top, advantages, reward, chance, confident, good. And then on the same token, he then on the negative side, and it's funny, on some of these negative tweets, I'm following some of these people who are showing up as tweeting negatively. We've got words like shit coming up 3 times in the last 45 minutes. Lost, blocks, no. What do we have down here? Ban. Yeah, that's always a suspend. Those are always words that can create some fear. So anyway, I think that if you want to have a little fun with live sentiment, this is one. Watch this. If I refresh, this is one that you might have fun playing with. So here we go. We just refreshed. I lost all the data that I had accumulated over the last 45 minutes. And then you can see how it starts to build a new graph. And you can see that the positive side right now is overtaking the negative. So as you see it, it's happening live. We've got 4 positive tweets, 8 neutral, nothing negative as of right now. So you'll see it eventually separate, and this is the positive versus negative chatter out there on Twitter. I think it's fun. I'll put a link to it in the comment section, and if you would like to get more videos that kind of expand your knowledge in the cryptocurrency space, please subscribe, hit that bell, and you can follow me on Twitter too, at CryptoEddie. Okay, everybody, sayonara for now. Take care. Bye-bye.